Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Brass Brushes is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone dealing with metal cleaning, restoration, or fabrication, offering a gentler yet effective alternative to harsher steel brushes for a multitude of tasks. Whether you're looking to remove stubborn rust, polish tarnished surfaces, clean intricate parts, or prepare metal for painting, a quality brass brush can make all the difference in achieving professional-looking results without causing damage. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a brass brush truly stand out, helping you select the perfect one for your specific needs and ensuring your metal projects shine with minimal effort. Number 5. Wire Brush Set 3 PCS, Red. Tackle any cleaning task with this versatile set. It includes 3 different brushes designed for various surfaces and cleaning needs. Use the stainless steel brush for tough rust, the nylon for delicate items, and the brass for scratch-free metal cleaning. They handle all your cleaning concerns. Enjoy an optimal grip with the slightly angular handles. Made from high-quality plastic, these tools are built to last. At 7 inches long, they easily fit into your toolbox or bag. Take them with you for cleaning wherever you go. We are confident you'll love how effective and easy to use they are. If you have any issues, please reach out, and we'll be happy to help. What we like. This set offers 3 distinct brush types for various cleaning needs. If you're looking for a versatile cleaning solution that can handle different materials and surfaces without causing damage, this is a great choice. It's perfect for general household cleaning and tackling a range of tasks. What people say. The brass bristles are stiff enough to scrub away rust and grime without scratching delicate surfaces. Comes with 3 different brush sizes, allowing for versatility in cleaning various metal components. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to apply pressure during cleaning tasks. Number 4. 7 PCS Brass Tube Cleaning Brushes. Introducing a set of high-quality brass brushes designed for a variety of cleaning tasks. Their durable copper wire construction ensures they can be reused for long-lasting performance. With a 12-inch ultra-long, flexible handle, these brushes can bend to reach and clean even the most difficult sanitary dead corners. The spiral bristles are designed to stay put, ensuring effective cleaning every time. This set includes 7 different sizes, ranging from 6mm to 25mm, making them perfect for cleaning tubes, bottles, pipes, and more. The convenient suspension design allows for easy drying and storage. These aren't just for tubes. The stainless steel wire brush has high hardness, making it suitable for cleaning suede shoes. It can even be used with cleaning agents for tougher jobs. The spiral steel wire bristles and flexible handle are excellent at removing stubborn oil stains in the kitchen and polishing metal surfaces. They are also highly resistant to deformation and high temperatures. Use them for cleaning straws, car parts, bottles, glass, pipelines, spray guns, computer keyboards, and even feeding tubes. Their flexibility makes them ideal for countless applications. Please use these tools with caution, keep them away from children, and always wear protective goggles in your work area for your safety. What we like. With its ultra-long and bendable handle, this set excels at reaching and cleaning difficult, sanitary dead corners. If you frequently need to clean narrow pipes, tubes, or other hard-to-reach spaces, especially in laboratory or industrial settings, these brushes are ideal. Their flexibility ensures thorough cleaning in awkward areas. What people say. The brass bristles don't scratch the steel. The choice of sizes leaves no tube uncleaned. These brushes work well. I use them for cleaning debris from small metal parts. Works well on my 3D printer and handguns. The various sizes were handy for cleaning my gas furnace burner. Number 3. Amazon Basics Brass Mini Wire Brushes, 3-pack. Introducing our mini wire brushes, perfect for tackling tough cleaning jobs. The brass bristles effectively remove stubborn residue from most surfaces. These versatile tools are ideal for removing paint, rust, and more. Their compact 1/2-inch size ensures easy access to even the tightest spaces. Experience superior comfort and control with the soft grip ergonomic handle. It's designed to provide a secure hold and protect surfaces and your knuckles. Crafted with a durable blend of polypropylene, TPR, and brass, these brushes are built for longevity. The handles are resistant to solvents and chemicals. Enjoy peace of mind with our included 1-year limited warranty. You can trust in the quality and reliability of this essential cleaning tool. What we like. This pack is perfect for detailed work in confined areas due to its small 1-2-inch size. If you often find yourself needing to clean rust, paint, or residue in tight spots like intricate metalwork or small crevices, this set offers excellent access and control. The soft grip handle ensures comfort during these precise tasks. What people say. The brass bristles are effective for cleaning metal without being too abrasive. These brushes are well made and hold up well to tough cleaning jobs. The variety of brush sizes included in the set is very useful for different cleaning tasks. Number 2. MAXMAN 3 PCS Soft Brass Wire Brush Set. Introducing our premium brass wire brush set. Its soft bristles are perfect for cleaning metal surfaces without causing scratches or damage, making it ideal for delicate items and tough jobs alike. This versatile cleaning tool is designed for a wide range of applications. Use it for jewelry, kitchen appliances, or even those hard-to-reach sliding door tracks. Tackle dirt and grime in the tightest spots. Its compact size and dense bristles allow it to reach areas larger brushes simply cannot. Experience comfort and control with its high-quality beechwood handle. Built for durability, it's a reliable choice for mechanics, workshops, and DIY enthusiasts. Effectively remove dirt, grime, and rust from various surfaces. It's also great for polishing metal, maintaining tools, and restoring shine. Perfect for cleaning welding spatter and slag, as well as general tool maintenance. Get a thorough clean every time. What we like. Featuring soft brass bristles and a comfortable beechwood handle, this brush is designed for cleaning delicate metal surfaces without scratching. If you work with jewelry, small appliances, or need to clean welding spatter and tool maintenance without causing damage, this is the brush for you. It's ideal for tasks requiring a gentle yet effective touch. What people say. The brass bristles are effective at removing rust and grime without scratching delicate surfaces. Comes with multiple brush sizes, allowing for cleaning in tight corners and on various metal objects. The ergonomic handle design provides a comfortable grip, making extended cleaning sessions less strenuous. Number 1. 5 PCS Brass Wire Wool Brush Kit for Drill. Introducing a versatile 5-piece brass wire brush kit designed for your drill. These brushes are crafted from true brass, making them soft enough for delicate cleaning and deburring tasks without causing scratches. The wire wheel and end brushes are specifically designed for easy access into narrow holes and confined areas. This ensures you can clean thoroughly, no matter how tight the space. For larger surfaces, the included cup brush provides efficient cleaning and deburring. It's perfect for tackling bigger jobs with ease. Featuring a 1/4-inch shank, these brushes are compatible with most drills and operate at a maximum RPM of 4,500. The fine 0.13 mm brass wire ensures a gentle yet effective performance. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of brushes to suit all your needs. From polishing to deburring metal and wood, it's the perfect addition to your toolkit. Made from solid brass, these brushes offer durability and a soft touch. They are built to last and provide excellent results on a wide range of materials. What we like. This kit transforms your drill into a powerful cleaning tool, perfect for rapid cleaning and deburring. If you have larger metal surfaces, pipes, or need to efficiently remove material in confined areas and want to speed up your workflow, this brush set is an excellent choice. It's designed for users who prioritize efficiency and power in their cleaning tasks. What people say. The brass doesn't scratch or leave the brushed look that steel brushes do. Since brass is softer than steel, they don't scratch. Genuine brass brushes, not brass-coated steel. Removes rust and grime without scratching metal surfaces at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.